Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily Talk English, where we learn real English for real life. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. I'm Daniel. How are you today, Emily?
I'm really good today, Daniel. I had such a lovely weekend. It was quiet, slow, and very peaceful.
That sounds nice. What did you do?
Almost nothing.
Almost nothing. And you enjoyed it?
I really did. Sometimes doing very little is exactly what you need.
That is hard for me to understand.
Why?
Because my weekend was busy. I cleaned my apartment, did laundry, went grocery shopping, and prepared for the new week.
That sounds more like a work day than a weekend.
Exactly. My weekends sometimes feel like extra work.
I know that feeling.
I want a relaxing weekend like yours. A weekend where I do not feel tired on Sunday night.
Well, Daniel, that is exactly what we are talking about today.
Really? What is today's topic?
Today's topic is, what do you do on the weekend? We are going to follow a perfect weekend day from morning to night.
A perfect weekend day. I definitely need that.
We will talk about simple, relaxing things you can do on your day off, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to sleep.
From eyes open to eyes closed.
Exactly.
Okay, let's build the perfect weekend together.
But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you enjoy Daily Talk English, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. Your support really helps us.
Okay, Emily, let's begin.
Let's go. It is Saturday morning. Your room is quiet, your bed is warm, your phone is silent.
And there is no alarm.
Exactly. No alarm today.
That is already a perfect weekend.
You open your eyes and look at the clock. It is 9:30.
9:30? That is late for me.
Not on a Saturday. On Saturday, you can sleep in.
Sleep in? What does that mean?
Sleep in means to stay in bed longer than usual. You do not need to wake up early. You do not need to rush.
So on work days I wake up at 7, but on Saturday I wake up at 10. That means I sleep in.
Exactly right.
I love sleeping in. Sometimes I wake up early, look at the time, and think, oh, it is Saturday. Then I close my eyes again.
That is one of the best feelings.
No meeting, no train, no long to-do list.
No hurry at all.
Can I say I like to sleep in on weekends?
Yes, that sounds very natural.
I like to sleep in on weekends.
Perfect.
What do you do after you wake up?
I stay in bed for a few extra minutes. Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I just enjoy the quiet.
I usually look at my phone for too long.
Many people do that.
So maybe I should put my phone down and enjoy the morning.
That is a good idea. A slow morning does not need to be exciting. It can be simple.
Just a warm bed, a quiet room, and no alarm.
Exactly.
Okay, I slept in. Now I am hungry.
Then it is time for brunch.
Brunch. I love that word.
Me too.
What does brunch mean again?
Brunch is a meal between breakfast and lunch. The word comes from breakfast and lunch.
Breakfast plus lunch equals brunch.
Exactly.
So if I wake up late and eat eggs at 11 o'clock, that is brunch.
Yes, that is a perfect example.
Brunch feels different from normal breakfast.
It does. Breakfast is often quick. On a work day, you may eat toast, drink coffee, and leave the house fast.
That sounds like me every Monday.
But brunch is slower. You sit down, relax, and enjoy your food.
What do people eat for brunch?
Pancakes, eggs, toast, fruit. yogurt, avocado toast, and coffee.
Coffee is very important.
For some people, yes.
Can you have brunch at home?
Absolutely. You do not need a restaurant. You can make eggs, toast, fruit, and coffee at home.
I like pancakes, but I am not very good at making them.
What happens?
Sometimes they are too dark, sometimes they stick to the pan.
But you keep trying?
I keep trying.
That is the important thing.
Can I say I am having brunch with my friend?
Perfect. You can also say, on Sundays, I like to have brunch at a small cafe.
I can imagine it. I sit by the window, drink coffee, and watch people walk by.
That is a lovely weekend activity.
So brunch is not only about food.
Exactly. It is about having time to enjoy the morning.
Okay, I slept in, then I had brunch. Now it is afternoon.
And afternoon is a great time to enjoy a hobby.
A hobby. I like that idea.
A hobby is something you do because you enjoy it. You do not do it for work. You do it because it makes you happy.
Like reading, painting, cooking, or playing music?
Exactly.
I always say I want a hobby, but then I do not know where to start.
Many people feel that way. They think a hobby has to be difficult or expensive.
But it does not?
No, you can start with something small. For example, you can learn a few chords on the guitar.
I have always wanted to learn guitar.
Then Saturday afternoon is a great time to start.
But I do not know anything about guitars.
That is okay. You do not need to know everything on your first day.
What do I need?
A guitar, a little patience, and maybe a simple video lesson.
That sounds possible.
First, you learn how to hold the guitar. Then you learn a few easy chords. After that, you practice slowly.
What is a chord?
A chord is when you play several notes together.
Okay, I do not need to understand everything. I just need to practice.
Right. A hobby is not about being perfect. It is about enjoying the process.
I like that. Enjoy the process.
Maybe your fingers hurt a little at first. Maybe the music does not sound beautiful yet. That is normal.
My neighbors may not enjoy it.
Haha, maybe not on the first day.
Poor neighbors.
But after a few days, you may be able to play a simple song.
That would feel amazing.
Can you say, I am learning to play the guitar?
I am learning to play the guitar.
Very good.
What about, I practice guitar for 30 minutes every Saturday?
Excellent.
30 minutes feels possible.
That is important. Start small. 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes. Little by little, you improve.
I think hobbies help you forget about work for a while.
Yes, when you focus on something creative, your mind can relax.
What hobby do you have, Emily?
I like drawing. I am not a professional artist, but I enjoy drawing little things from my day.
So I can learn guitar and you can draw.
Exactly. Your hobby can be anything you enjoy.
Okay, I had brunch and then I practiced guitar.
Great. But after spending time alone, maybe you want to see a friend.
It is time to hang out.
It is around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You are at home, practicing your guitar.
Still learning.
Exactly. Then your phone rings. It is your friend.
What does my friend say?
Your friend says, "Hey, what are you doing today? Do you want to hang out?"
Hang out. I hear this phrase all the time.
It is very useful.
What does it mean exactly?
To hang out means to spend relaxed time with someone. You are just together, talking, laughing, walking, eating, or doing something simple.
So it is casual.
Very casual.
Can I hang out at a cafe?
Yes.
In a park?
Definitely, yes.
At someone's home?
Of course.
So the place is not important.
Right. The important thing is spending time together.
Can I practice inviting someone?
Please do.
Hey, what are you doing this afternoon?
Not much. Why?
Do you want to hang out?
Sure. Where do you want to go?
How about the cafe near the park?
Sounds great. What time?
Around 4?
Perfect. See you then.
That was easy.
Yes, you do not need a long message. You can simply say, "Do you want to hang out?"
What do people talk about when they hang out?
Everything. Work, family, travel, food, movies, funny stories, future plans.
Or maybe I can talk about learning guitar.
Exactly. Your friend may ask, "Can you play something for me?"
And I can say, not yet, I'm still learning.
Perfect.
I think hanging out is better when there is no pressure.
Yes, you do not need to make every minute special. You can just enjoy the company.
Good company makes simple things more enjoyable.
I agree.
Okay, I had brunch, I practiced guitar, then I hung out with a friend.
That sounds like a lovely day.
But now it is getting dark.
And it is time for the final part of our perfect weekend day.
Cozy movie night?
Cozy movie night.
I love movie night,
Me too.
especially after a full day.
You come home in the evening. You feel a little tired, but it is a happy kind of tired.
Happy tired. I like that.
You take a shower. You put on comfortable clothes, maybe an old t-shirt and soft pants.
My favorite weekend clothes.
Then you make your room cozy.
Cozy. What does cozy mean?
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing.
Like sitting on a soft sofa with a blanket?
Exactly. Maybe the lights are low. Maybe you have a cup of tea. Maybe there is rain outside.
That sounds very cozy.
You can get a blanket. You can make popcorn or hot chocolate. Then you choose a movie.
What kind of movie should I watch?
Whatever you like. Maybe a funny movie, an action movie, or an old favorite.
I like comedies. They help me relax.
That is a good choice.
Can I say I am having a cozy movie night?
Yes, that sounds very natural.
I am having a cozy movie night at home.
Perfect.
What happens if I fall asleep during the movie?
Then you were very cozy.
That is true.
Sometimes the best movie night ends with you falling asleep under a warm blanket.
That sounds like the perfect end to a perfect Saturday.
I think so too. Let's look at our perfect weekend day one more time.
Yes, from morning to night.
First, you sleep in.
You stay in bed longer than usual. No alarm, no rush.
Then you have brunch.
A slow meal between breakfast and lunch.
After brunch, you spend time on a hobby.
Maybe you learn guitar, draw, read, or try something new.
Then you hang out with a friend.
You meet, talk, laugh, and enjoy good company.
And finally, you have a cozy movie night.
Soft blanket, popcorn, a good movie, and no stress.
That is one perfect weekend day.
I want to do all of those things next Saturday.
You don't have to do everything.
That is true.
Maybe you only sleep in and have brunch. Maybe you only practice guitar for 20 minutes. Maybe you stay home and watch a movie.
Even one relaxing thing can make the weekend better.
Exactly. A good weekend is not about doing a lot.
It is about feeling rested and happy. Let's review the new expressions from today.
First, sleep in.
Sleep in means stay in bed longer than usual.
I like to sleep in on weekends.
Next, brunch.
Brunch is a meal between breakfast and lunch.
We are having brunch at a cafe.
Then, learn guitar.
I am learning to play the guitar.
Next, hang out.
Hang out means spend relaxed time with someone.
Do you want to hang out this afternoon?
And finally, cozy.
Cozy means warm, comfortable, and relaxing.
I am having a cozy movie night at home.
Great job, Daniel.
I learned a lot today.
Me too.
And now we have a question for everyone listening.
What is your perfect weekend activity?
Do you like to sleep in, have brunch, learn something new, hang out with friends, or stay home for a cozy movie night?
Please leave a comment below. We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily Talk English.
Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
See you next time.
Bye everyone! Keep practicing your English!